and back ignition.
Fairing separation confirmed.
And there we heard those callouts for main engine cutoff, stage separation, SES-1, and fairing separation. We will be attempting to recover both fairing halves today using our recovery vessel NRC Quest. Both of the fairing halves flying on today's mission are flight proven, with one half flying for the 5th time and the other its 6th.
Rats
and
in
just as
space.
a reminder, on the left side of the screen is the Falcon 9 first stage, and on the right side you can see the second stage, which is carrying the Starlink satellites.
Oh, there's one right there. What the fuck is that?
Currently, the first stage is on its way back to Earth towards our drone ship, Of Course I Still Love You, which is stationed in the Pacific Ocean.
There's more. See, they keep switching the camera because
the
there's
MVAC
more.
engine attached to the second stage, which you see on the right
See,
side
moving?
of the screen.
Both stages are following
And then they switch the camera angle.
That second stage is continuing its burn, which will last for another several minutes.
This is crazy. What are those things?